Hey everybody, it's Tanner here with Adulting Life Skills. Another day, which means another house project. As I said in my last video, we did install some shiplap on our kitchen backsplash and also our bathroom ceiling. In our kitchen, installing this product has actually caused an issue with this outlet right here. This outlet, unfortunately, is now too far sunken into the wall, so the plate won't go on it anymore. To resolve that issue, what we're going to need to use is what's called outlet spacers. I did not know these things existed, but now that I do, these things are great and super easy to use. They can be purchased at any big box home improvement store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace, all those places. First things first, obviously make sure we are messing with power right here. Make sure the breaker is turned off. That corresponds with the outlet or any power source that you're working with prior to working on it. So these outlet spacers, they can be ripped into pieces of two, and they click into one another, just like that. I went ahead and measured my space, which is what you're going to need to measure the space in between the actual outlet itself and the box that it screws into. I went ahead and figured out I need about 4 of these guys. So I'm going to go ahead and click all 4 of these together. And that creates my spacer right there. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this spacer right behind the outlet right here. That's there. Now, these are the screws that originally came with the outlet itself. Because there is so much space now, I actually needed to upgrade to a longer screw. So I went ahead and did that. Now what we'll need to do is put the screw in the outlet through the spacer and then screw it in. And we're almost there. And we're there. So that went ahead and pushed that outlet out forward to where it's flush with the wall, and the plate will go right on top of it. That is it. You'll just went ahead and do that for each 4 corners of the actual outlet of these 2 outlets themselves, and you are good to go. Make sure, guys, like and subscribe Adulting Life Skills for more life hacks, how-tos, recipes, and other fun things. Anything, everything adulting. Thank you, guys. See you soon.